Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I went from this damaged nail to this healthy looking nail with just tissue paper. So here are the things I use. I use tissue paper, base coat and top coat. So next we're just going to cut out a piece of the tissue paper, and then from that piece you cut out a thin, not too thin strip of paper. Then once you're done with that, you divide it, because there are three layers of the tissue paper. So you divide it, one part having just one layer, then the other part has two layers. Once you're done with that, you move on to prepping your nails. That is the buffing. You push back your cuticles, then you wipe off the dust with the nail polish remover. So that's just it. Once you're done with that, you apply your base coat on your natural nail. You apply it generously. Then once you're done with that, you get your tissue paper. You can cut it to the size you want and the shape you want. So I made the base of my tissue a little bit like a triangle, square, that shape. So I did that. Then once you put the tissue on the nail with the base gel polish, you apply a little more gel polish, base polish on your nail, just so the tissue would stay hard properly. Once you're done with that, you then cure it for 60 seconds under the UV lamp. As you can see, it's hard. The tissue paper is already hard, so you just repeat that process for 3 to 4 times depending on how long you want your nail to be. And yeah, that's just it. So you just repeat the process. You apply the base coat on the nail. Then when you're done applying the base coat, you put your tissue on the nail and you cure for 60 seconds. And that's just it. I applied mine twice. I used the layer of the tissue that has two parts to do this, and then you apply it on the nail, you cure it, and that's just it for the nail. As you can see, this is the second layer. You cure for 60 seconds. Don't forget, when you're done with that, you can apply, if your nail is hard enough, you can leave it. If it's not to your satisfaction, you add the next strip of tissue paper on your nail. You cure for 60 seconds, and then you just repeat the process till the end of the nail. So I'm just going to let you watch this video to see how I got my end result. So guys, once you're done with that, you move over to the shaping and the filing of the nail. I used my nail clipper to cut it to the desired length, and I wanted it to be exactly my nail length. So once you're done with that, you just go to the shaping, and it's supposed to look like a natural nail. So you're going to do that, shape it, file the surface of the nail because it's going to be very rough from the tissue paper. And yes, I also want to add When curing under the UV lamp, it might sting a little, so that's like normal. Then once you're done with the filing, you just move over to the filing, you buff it to your desired shape and the desired length you want. So guys, I used the top coat gel polish on the nail. You can just add a thin layer of gel polish over the nail and then you cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds and that's just it. Okay people, so here I'm done with the whole nail. I'm just cleaning off the excess gel polish from my nail, and this is my hands. This is the before. My nail was so crooked, so chipped, it was so damaged, and this is the after on the same hand. It looks so pretty.